Gonna pick up the plug-in. Alright.
It's okay, it can be in.
No, I'm gonna have to do intro. It's like, alright, let's do this. In the bathroom again. Hello, my blissful butt. I'm blissful ignorance. This is Kayla. Don't know if she's on camera. You're probably here. We are going to be doing. What was it called? It was like glitter. Oh, there it is. Glitter slime bath. And bath spelt B-A-F-F. Even though we're doing it in the bath. Yeah, so we're gonna make some slime. This is what it looks like. It's like a pink sparkly. There's not very many sparkles in it, but bit of filter.
It's not as sparkly as we thought it was gonna be.
No, I thought it was gonna be like fine sparkles.
I thought it was gonna be like glitter.
I don't see how that glitter is biodegradable. So the slime itself is, what did it say? Doesn't say on here.
It says you can wash it down.
Yeah, it is. Oh yeah, there it is. It's the warning thing there. It's not no harmful chemicals. Easy on the skin. It's meant to be that once you dilute it, it's safe. It's completely biodegradable.
That's not what I thought, but that's fine.
So other than the sparkles, I can honestly agree with that. So yeah. Ready to fill up the bath. So just gonna, I don't know if they can hear me or not, but we're gonna fill it up until it's 4 centimeters. 20 I'm like, 20 liters. Oh. What's that much? And then a little bit of cold? Yeah?
I mean, that's not like 4 centimeters.
No, it's not hot either. Is it not 4 centimeters? I'm really bad with math. Alright. So it's meant to be stirring it in evenly, but no, my luck. Oh, it's gonna go everywhere if I do that.
Hold it over the bathtub.
I don't want to use my teeth.
Oh, it smells nice.
Ooh. How's it supposed to be bath? Bath is in vomit. By the way. That's what they're meaning. It smells like strawberry flavoured silly string.
Well, like, actually, like the strawberry. I know, like the rectangular lollies that are like the kind of chewy.
Yeah, but like the chemically bit of it smells like silly string. It's as if they like, that's what I imagine strawberry flavoured silly string would be like.
So, just do it.
Well, there's some in the bath now. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's very sandy.
Pour it in.
Alright. It sounds really weird. Listen. Apparently I'm not good at spreading things evenly. Oh, it smells so nice. If you move just a little bit so you get in that area. So there's like a...
It's a lot pinker in real life than it is on camera.
Yeah, it's very violently pink.
Fluorescent pink.
Yeah. Alright.
I showed a sparkle right there.
Look at that. It's very sparkly. At least the sparkles float, I suppose.
Mm.
Oh, where did I put my heater? Oh, I shouldn't have got down so. Ow. You like my pretty bandage? Oh, that does not feel good. That's like if you put bread. Oh, it looks like baby throw up, or like just baby slobber. Oh, it's still got like set. I think it's kind of like Jello, maybe.
Yeah.
Maybe that's what the activate. That's what we can use. Anyways. Oh, don't get it up on the sides.
Oh my god, guys.
Oh my god. It's actually already like slime.
Like a bathtub full of Jello.
Yes.
But also,
that'd be so hard to do though.
I don't know, it'd be too bad. It's more so
Trying to get it off the side of the bath, but it's already like, look, it's already turned to slime on the side of the bath.
That's fine, don't worry. That's washable, so.
Oh, it is kind of thick. It said the more you stir it, the better, like the thicker it's gonna be. But I didn't want to stir it too much.
There's so many good
It's in my
close-ups.
hair. It's in my hair.
Close-ups on your face, that would be great.
My tea is going cold. Also, don't want to touch my tea right now. I hope it gets a little thicker. I suppose it's still going to go for like 10-15 minutes, whatever.
We'll leave it for like 15, I think.
Actually, coming from a farm, it feels like something else. That's what it feels like. I was like, I know this feeling. Like, it feels like you're in water. Like, it feels... It's moving like slime. This is coming out way better than I thought it was. Should we leave it now? Like, did you want to get a close up of that? That's not moving like water. It looks like water, but it's way thicker.
Like, you can see it, like, bring it up. Yeah.
Right. It's real thick. Like, go like that. Good on me.
Yeah, it's like, it's jellified anyway.
Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna wash my hands and we're gonna leave that. It looks the same, it's just not as clear. Touch it. Touch it.
God, that. Oh, it's slime. Are you sure you're gonna get in that?
I have to like scrape it off the bottom.
I don't think you should.
It looks nothing like what I thought it was going to turn out like. It actually came out like slime. I still want to do like a full bathtub. It's actually heavy to pick up.
I gotta get.
Yeah, you gotta. I gotta like cut it.
Oh, it's even warm too. It's like a big boogie.
And that's exactly what it's like. I gotta like scrape it off the bottom too. I bet it's like around here. Like run your fingers along the bottom if you want.
I can't do that. I'm just trying to stay up.
Oh, I really want to get in it now.
I'm really gonna do a full bathtub of this one.
We need a couple boxes. I mean, that. Yeah. If we got 3 boxes, that'd be awesome. I wonder if Brett wants to see it. Oh! Oh, my knee. It's so fun. Oh, it'd be like when like an alien egg hatches.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the feel.
Alien, like Predator.
Yeah.
Alien. This is this.
That's so weird. Oh, I can't wait. I'm gonna get in it.
Okay.
Alright, let's do this. Can you hit the button, baby? Can you hit the button? She's trying. Alright, let's do this. I've got to be really careful getting it. My life flashed before my eyes. Oh, it's real warm. I don't want to put my knee down in it actually.
My hands look cold though.
It's real warm. I'm glad we didn't make it with cold.
It would be really like unsatisfying if it was cold.
Oh, it's like super thick. I don't want to sit down. Hang on. Do it. Why is it every time I'm at your house I end up getting wet in some kind of way? Oh, I don't want to get my bandage in it.
Yeah, no, probably not.
That's...
Oh my god.
This is so slimy. I even know what to do with it now that I'm actually in it. For some reason I was expecting more slime though.
Amen.
Like I thought we were gonna, like I thought it was like a fill the whole bath up thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, though in saying that, we hadn't read the instructions until today.
Yeah, well, like if they were on the inside of them, we didn't know we could open them.
Yeah. It's so slimy. I feel like I'm, well, it made my skin feel
I was gonna
really
say, I
nice.
wonder if it's gonna make your legs all soft.
I hope it does. Oh, it's like between my toes.
Oh, how does it feel between the toes?
Ugh. It's actually really weird because it doesn't really process that it's slime. It feels like water. She's gonna grab that. It feels like water. And it's only on my hands that it feels like slime.
It's when you bring it out of the other water that it actually feels like slime.
Watch. Yum. It's like a wall of slime.
It's actually amazing.
Oh, it's so ugh. But I love it. Guys, feel free to send me slime. Where's the glitter? It's like silver put chunks. Also, like a little bit more glitter. Oh, I can feel it. It feels like a satin pie or something. It's like, it's not, the whole water's like this.
That's
like,
weird.
scoop it and...
That's just like jellyfish.
I know, right?
I can imagine taking a bath in jellyfish.
And now my legs are slimy. Watch this.
Oh, that's nasty. Like a jellyfish.
It's like a gel. Oh, it is too.
Like, I mean, you know what you throw them at people? Oh, God.
No. Don't throw jellyfish at people.
I do.
It's on my toes.
You can have this thing.
This is going to be really hard to get off. It was really hard to get off my hands before.
It's like not as solid as I thought it would be.
Really? We thought it was going to be like
Nothing.
weak. And then like there's a picture in it where like it's turned to chunky pieces and we were like, oh no, is it really going to be like that? We're going to be picking slime off us for ages. No, it's actually... Oh, look at the bottle. Oh wait, watch. This really shows... I was going to say if you wanted to do a close-up of it, but this really shows it.
I mean, that's cool.
But I was going to say like this, like the splash.
What's splash?
That's how you can tell that it's thick. Because of the way it doesn't splash either.
Yeah. Just keep it under the water.
Yeah, just you rub it. Like
Wash your hands.
try and smush it, yeah. Wait.
Is it waterproof?
No. It is! That's going in the video.
Oh god.
Alright, it's still warm. It's still warm. This was like just above lukewarm when we started like...
I wonder if it being thicker actually
I
like
think it's retaining the heat because it's
Yeah.
thicker. I actually, oh my goodness, so much for not putting it on my bandage. I'm so powerful. It's like disgusting in a fun way. This is just way better than we thought it was going to be. I'm actually really shocked. I thought, because the picture kind of showed this, we were like, no. And then it showed on the inside there was like, when you get the slime that breaks up into chunks, kind of like jelly. And we were like, oh. But no, look at this. It's so much better. Anyways, that's all for now. I've already lost my camera into the slime, so I think we should end it there. Thank you, Kayla, for helping me with the video. Dropping my phone in the slime.
Wasn't my fault.
Bye. No, we'll blame it on the baby.
Yeah, blame it on the baby.
Blame it
She
on the
whacked
baby.
me.
It's her fault. And thank you, Brett, for making an appearance. And yeah, thank you all so much for watching. Make sure to give the like video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. And if you would like to see more content, because I got another idea for this, make sure to subscribe and ring the bell if you want to be notified when I upload and when I'm streaming. And if you have any game recommendations, requests, challenges, or just want to chat, just comment down below. I love hearing from you guys, and I reply to everybody. The link for the Discord, the Facebook. The Facebook channel and my social medias are down below. Make sure to go check those out. That is everything. Thank you all so much for watching. Bye. It's so slimy. It's so slimy.